Welcome to the instructional video for PoolMate DT B Robotic Pool Cleaner. In the package, you'll find the robot, power adapter, file envelope and retrieval hook. Before using DTB to clean the pool, please charge it with the official PoolMate power adapter included in the package. Note: 1. Dry charging port before charging. 2. Replace rubber plug after charging to prevent water entry. Power on. Slide the switch button to the on mark to turn on the cleaner, and the indicator will be steady on. Power off. Slide the switch button to the off mark to turn off the cleaner, and the indicator will be off. To select a cleaning mode after power on, slide the switch from on to off and back to on. Each time you do this, the indicator light will switch to a different mode. Repeat until you reach your desired cleaning mode. You should complete this selection within 5 seconds. DTB cleaning modes and duration. After selecting the cleaning mode, put DTB into the pool and let it sink to the bottom of the pool. The cleaner will start to work. At this moment, the indicator is in breathing state. DTB will move to the pool edge and stop cleaning automatically when the battery life is lower than 5%. Use the retrieval hook to pick it up. Note: you may connect the hook to any standard pool cleaning rod to extend the reach. After cleaning is complete, ensure the robot is powered off before cleaning the filter basket. Lift the handle and remove the filter basket. Open the top and bottom cover. Then thoroughly rinse both inside and outside with a water hose. To replace the middle filter, open the basket top cover and pull up to remove the middle filter, and insert the new one by aligning it with the guide slots. The side filters cannot be replaced individually. You need to replace the entire filter basket. App download. Scan the QR code on the screen or search for PoolMate Bot in the App Store to download and install it. Place DTB Robot poolside and power on. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Open PoolMate Bot app and click Get to Connect. Select your device's SN number and complete the connection when the Bluetooth connected icon appears. Please note that app control only works when DTB is out of water. Select desired mode in the app and place DTB in pool to begin cleaning. If you want to schedule cleaning, please make sure the DTB is powered on and out of water. Tap on Preset menu and set cleaning mode and delay time. Then place the robot in pool. It will start automatically at scheduled time. Important: do not power off while delayed cleaning function is active. If you won't be using the robot for an extended period, 1. Thoroughly clean the filter basket and place it into the robot. 2. Make sure there's no water left inside the robot. 3. Store in a cool and dry place indoors 41 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Power off the robot before storage. 5. Keep battery charge between 30 to 60%. Avoid prolonged storage at low charge. After charging DTB, power it off for storage. It is recommended to perform a complete charge-discharge cycle every 3 months to maintain optimal battery performance. Here's the wrap on the PoolMate DT B Robotic Pool Cleaner instructional video. Enjoy using it.